Hey there, I'm Nitya Srinath, an interior designer at Livspace. I'm here to take you on a walkthrough of our Experience Centre. Here's a sneak peek at what we've got in store for you. The kitchen is the heart of the home where great meals and memories are made. At Livspace, we believe in intelligent and beautiful designs. Our kitchen experts design every inch to suit your needs based on your style preferences, the kitchen layout, family size, storage requirements, and even your cooking style. So this is an L-shaped kitchen. There is a space-saving option that allows for free movement. This is ideal for small to medium spaces, for cornered layouts, and perfect for open plan design. The countertop used here is a Kalinga stone top, a type of engineered quartz. This is a very strong and durable material. We have multiple material and finish options for countertops available. The core material used for the modules can be plywood, PWR plywood, and other cost-effective options. The shutters are of membrane finish, but these can also be made in laminate, acrylic, and PU, each of which is available in 20 to 30 different shades in matte, high gloss, and wooden textures. We also offer different types of handles for shutters. Our catalog includes appliances for your kitchen such as chimneys, hobs, microwaves, dishwashers, and more. Your kitchen can be customized with accessories like sink faucets, cutlery trays, detergent holders, wicker baskets, etc. This island kitchen is perfect for a dynamic lifestyle where you can talk and eat while you cook. This type is best suited for large spaces and families. It's adaptable to open layouts and offers maximum storage and workspace. The finish for the base shutters here is acrylic, and for the wall cabinets we have laminate finish. The tall unit is available in a few options, like you have the storage option. They're available in different storages with drawers and shelves. They also come with appliance like your oven and microwave. So this here is a U-shaped kitchen. It gives you maximum storage. You can see that the kitchen counter also extends as a breakfast table. This layout provides ample storage space with great flexibility. This is ideal for medium to large space and best for maximum storage. So for the base cabinets, we have used PU finish here, and for the wall cabinets, we have used a high gloss laminate. Here we have a glass roll-up shutter unit. Here are blind corner units, which are great for making use of corner spaces. So here we have our living room setups. We've got the complete range of living room furniture from sofas, accent chairs, rugs, hoops, and more. These can be customized with upholstery fabric in colors and patterns of your choice. We also have coffee tables, sideboards, and more to complete your living room. Livspace also offers an innovative range of modular storage solutions to fit spaces of all sizes. From shoe racks and foyer units to wall-mounted entertainment units and other storage units to organize your books, DVDs, and more. The possibilities are endless. This is an option for a large unit finished in acrylic. You can treat large walls with open ladder units and wallpaper. This is one of our storage options for smaller spaces. One of the ways to enhance your living room is with wall treatment like this one, which is a stone veneer backdrop. We've got a wide range of dining table sets available in a variety of sizes and styles like solid wood and glass top. We also have other dining room furniture such as sideboards and ladder units. If you're looking for a way to partition spaces, then a jali wall is a great idea. You can separate the space while still allowing light to pass through, and these can be made in different designs with different materials. So here we are in the bedroom section. We offer solutions based on your needs and the amount of space you have. For your bedroom, you can choose from beds with built-in storage and hydraulic beds. Accessorize with upholstered seating and bedside tables to store all of your essentials. Choose from our range of decorative lighting options such as pendants and ceiling lamps. You can also opt for smart lighting solutions. Our bedroom styling concept here includes a false wall with exposed brickwork wallpaper and a niche. You can also choose beds with upholstered headboards. These can be customized with colors and patterns of your choice. You can opt for wall treatments like wallpaper and wall decor like artwork, decorative mirrors, etc. So with Livspace modular wardrobes, you get to choose at every step whether it's the size of your wardrobe, the number and position of shelves and drawers, or the door type and its finishes. Here we have a sliding door wardrobe. The shutter finish here is lacquered glass. We have different options for the core material, similar to what we have for kitchens. Your wardrobe can be customized according to your needs. Choose modules and accessories that match your requirements. So this is a swing door with external drawers. These doors can be finished in mirrored shutters, glass shutters, or solid shutters. We also have L corner modules that can be customized to fit into corner spaces. Your wardrobes can also be designed with lofts for extra storage. Livspace provides end-to-end solutions for your home. This means that we take care of everything right from flooring, false ceiling, partitioning, and much more. At our Experience Centre, you can browse through the wide variety of swatches and the material and color options that we have. All of this and more only at the Livspace Experience Centre, a home within a store. Come and be part of the ultimate home design experience.